Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align images left and right using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this Home option. Now select here Edit option and select Image option and drag your mouse, select your images you want to align. Now click on this Arrange option and click this Align option. Select Align to selection already selected, and this is left align, and say this. Also I'll align these two images, and this is right align. See this. Also I'll align these two images. This is right align. In this way, you can align your images left and right side which one you want. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.